We guide you through how to unsave pins on Pinterest so you can delete pins you no longer want and keep your boards organized. First thing you need to do is open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to pinterest.com on a browser and sign in to your account. Next, tap your profile icon and open the board where the pin is currently saved. Scroll through your board and tap the pin you want to remove to open fully. Once the pin opens, tap the Save button or three dots menu in the corner, then choose Unsave or Remove from Board. The pin will instantly be removed from the board and no longer appear in your saved pins. If the pin is saved to multiple boards, repeat the same steps for each boards where you want it to remove. This process only removes the pin from your account and does not delete it from Pinterest for other users, making it a quick and safe way to clean up your boards, remove outdated ideas, and keep your Pinterest profile neat and relevant. So that's it.